up at the same old scene, filled with bloodstains and dead dreams. I make the most I've ever made. I still feel underpaid. Every day it's the same old script. Stellar actor, I don't give a shit. There's not enough stuff for money. Profits up and my job's fucking crummy. Can you stay 4 hours late? Don't forget the company's great, and that you're replaceable. My greed's insatiable, doing the work of 3, getting paid 1.5. This service suffers, and they blame it on Slack. Low and profits are high. Salary stagnates since 2005. It's a wonder we can afford to be alive. So the memo saying we're doing more with less, to keep pushing through all the stress. Team players don't get to sleep at night, and your dreams don't get to see daylight. So can you stay 4 hours late? Don't forget the company's great, and that you're replaceable. My greed's insatiable, doing the work of 3, getting paid 1.5. This service suffers, and they blame it on Slack. I know you don't appreciate me, but hey, whatever, thanks for the money. You know I'm leaving when I find something better. Till then, I guess it's whatever. You get lucky, it's a race to the bottom. Another bonus for the CEO, cause he's so awesome. And no, your raises won't reflect it, but you all really fucking killed it.